do you want to talk us through how things have gone?
Yeah, today started good really. Like in the morning was such good weather, and during the day as well, really cool, and temperature is very perfect for riding. And yeah, but warm up I wasn't feeling so good on the track. We make also some improvements with the suspension. That was much better. So I was just riding, getting feeling with the track, with the bike, and I had a pre-qualify practice. I was leading. I had the pole position till the last minute. You know, just only passed me in the last lap, so by just 0.1, and that's okay. You know, second place. But for sure, I would be more happy to be first in pole position, because it's been a long time when I had it. But anyway, second place was good, and then qualifier race, I don't have such good start. Just make some good places inside the first corner, so I was fifth. And then yeah, during the half a lap I come through to the third place behind the tower, and then just stayed till the end of the race like that. And but I had a big problem with my goggles. My old syrup came out from the stone, and yeah, I was riding without Hero from the first lap. I have to wipe my lens with the hand, but I'm happy, you know, like I finished third, so good speed, not such a big gap. Looking forward for tomorrow. Hope the weather stay the same, because forecast saying the raining. But anyway, you know, it's good for everybody, it's the same, and I hope I will enjoy tomorrow.
And how important is this race? Because a lot of people won't know that your parents have actually travelled over from Russia, and it's quite a special occasion for them to come to a European Grand Prix.
Oh yeah, like my dad is not coming usually, just a few times per year, but my mom is this is the first time when she came since I don't know, maybe 10 years, 15 years, when I was racing on 85. So I'm happy, you know, they see they see how everything is around, you know, and then they're really enjoying, because all the atmosphere, the team, everybody's so friendly, you know, and everything looking so perfect. The Honda crew and all the, you know, tracks just awesome. They're enjoying really.
And finally, tell me a little bit about the track, because it's kind of a strange soil out there that if it rains it can be really, really muddy. If it's dry.
Yeah, that's the tricky track. I would say you have to be really concentrated, because it's lots of like slippy spots on the track, and yeah, for sure, if it's muddy, then if it's raining, then mud so sticky on the bike, would the bike so heavy, it would be difficult to race. But condition like it was now was fun to race, you know, but still a bit you have to be really easy on the throttle, lots of places, because some places you have lots of grip, another place you have nothing, so you have to be always thinking lap per lap about the track.
Good luck for tomorrow.
Thank you.